My students, I hope you all are well. The team of NorthEastEdu-Science College are preparing some videos for you so that you can get the basic concepts of the topics of HS second year. Today, I am starting the first chapter on mathematics. This is called your relation and function. So first of all, we will concentrate on relation part. Then we will go to function part. Now, what do you mean by relation? Forget about mathematical concept. Just considering the real facts. Suppose in the whole universe there is only one person, then there will be no chance to set up a relation. Simply, there is no chance to set up a relation. There is no chance to share the feelings. So, to share feeling, to set up relation, we need at least two persons. Same concept in the mathematics. To make a relation, we need two sets. Suppose set capital A and capital B. Then simply relation denoted by R is a subset of A cross B. That is, R is a subset of A cross B. So what is a relation? A relation R is nothing but it is a subset of A cross B. A cross B means Cartesian product of two sets. Please note down it. Let us take one example. Let A equal to 1, 2, 3, B equal to 2, 4, 6. How I can find A cross B? By making all the possible ordered pair between A and B. 1, 2, 1, 4, 1, 6. 2, 2, 2, 4, 6, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 6. So we get the A cross B. Now let us define a relation R by capital R equal to x comma y, ordered pair xy. The first element belongs to the first set A and second element belongs to the second set B, and the relation is x divides y. Means your x divides y. So what are the ordered pairs respective to this? See, 1 divides 2, 1 divides 4, 1. 1 divides 6, 1, 6. 2 divides 2, 2, 2. 2 divides 4, 2. 2 divides 6, 2, 6. 3 divides 2? No. 3 cannot divide 2. We need a proper division, not a fractional division. 3 divides 4? No. 3 divides 6? Yes. So this ordered pair will come. So see, this is my respective relation. Every element of R is in A cross B. Thus we see that R is a subset of A cross B. Simply this is the relation, concept of relation, example of relation. Everything is in here. Please note it down, write in your copy, practice it whenever you find some time. Okay. So write the proper definition of relation, means in a proper manner. Write definition let A be two non-empty sets, then any subset of A cross B is a relation from A to B. This is your relation, means any subset is called a relation, but a relation must be a defined sentence. Whenever we solve example, we will see that relation are, there will be various forms of relation, defined operation. Okay. Now next write domain. I am erasing this one. Write this. Now write domain, codomain and range of a relation. Domain, codomain and range of a relation. See, suppose let A and B be two sets and R is a relation on A cross B from A to B. Okay. Fine. Then okay, let A equal to same 1 2 3, B equal to 2 4 6. The previous example here also 1 comma 2 means x divides y, 1 comma 4 1 comma 6, 2 comma 2 2 comma 4 2 comma 6, 3 comma 6. X divides y, 3 cannot divide 2, 3 cannot divide 4 properly. See, the first elements of the ordered pair present in the relation are, okay, the set which is constructed by taking the first element of the ordered pair present in the relation R is called your domain set. So what will be the domain element here? 1. See, here 1 1 1. So 3 1, and we know that in a set there should be no repetition. So out of this 3 1 we take only 1 1. Now see, 2 2 2 5, so we take only 1 2. Here is 3, so take 3. Fine. Now what is codomain? Codomain is nothing but the whole second set B. This B is called codomain. It has no relation with your R. It is only simply the second set. And what is range? Range is denoted by this R. What is range? Range is the elements present in the order, elements of the ordered pair present in R. Second elements of the ordered pair. Range. The range is the set constructed by taking the second elements of the ordered pair present in the relation R. So it will be 2, see 2, it will be 4, it will be 6, see again 2. We have written here 2, so no need to write it again. There should be no repetition. 4, 4, 6, 6, 6, 6. So it is your complete range set. So this is all about the concept of relation, domain, codomain and range of a relation. So I am completing this video. This is my first part. Again I will come and I will provide you the second part. So thank you.